Kungfu tea recipe steps. Bring the water and ginger to a boil in a small pot. Once it is boiling, turn off the heat. Stir in tea and cover. Let stand 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in milk and sugar, and add more sugar if needed. Pour the mixture through a sieve into a large, 6-cup blender, discarding the solids. Bubble tea, also known as pearl milk tea, boba milk tea, or bobat, is a Taiwanese drink that was invented in Taichung in the 80s. Tea is mixed with milk or fruits and topped off with chewy tapioca balls, bubbles, boba, pearls. Kungfu Tea founded National Bubble Tea Day on April 30th. Kungfu Tea takes its sanitary and hygienic practices seriously, especially during this unprecedented public health crisis. Since the start of the pandemic, Kungfu Tea has reinforced its sanitary procedures, as well as issued guidelines for our store owners on how best to prevent the spread. Typically, tea is mixed with milk or fruits and topped off with chewy tapioca balls, bubbles, bobat, pearls. At Kungfu Tea, customers can go classic tea or slush, milk tea or punch and more. All drinks can be customized in 3 steps: topping level, sugar level, and ice level. This dedication to our tea is in line with our embodiment of the Kungfu spirit. It is passed along to our bubbles, which are made from an all-natural combination of tapioca, brown sugar and honey. They are made every 2 hours to preserve their fresh, chewy textures. Green tea is rich in a group of chemicals called catechin polyphenols. These catechin polyphenols include catechin, epicatechin, epicatechin gallate, ECG, epigallocatechin gallate, EGC, and various proanthocyanidins. Some vitamins, like vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin C, and vitamin E are also found in green tea. Bubble tea, also known as pearl milk tea, boba milk tea, or bobat, is a Taiwanese drink that was invented in Taichung in the 80s. Tea is mixed with milk or fruits and topped off with chewy tapioca balls, bubbles, boba, pearls.